Today, I'm going to show you how you can connect Kaggle with your Vertex AI Workbench. So without any delay, let's jump to Google Cloud Console and do this together. So here I am in my Google Cloud Console. First thing that I'll do, I'll go into the search box and search for Vertex and open this Vertex AI. Basically, all I need to do, I need to enable this Vertex AI. So for me, it's already being enabled, but for you, it might not be enabled. So you need to click on this Enable API. Once Vertex API is enabled, you need to come here and open this drawer, and then you need to click on this Workbench. You need to click on Instances and click on Create New. What it will do, it will create a Vertex AI Workbench. So click on New. Let's give it a name as Technical Potpourri. I'm not changing anything, going with the default and click on Create. All it is trying to do is now it's trying to create a workbench with the name of Technical Potpourri. So it will take a couple of minutes time. I will come back once this workbench is ready. Okay, I'm back. Seems like my workbench is ready, and the way to know that, you'll find an option called Open Jupyter Lab. So if you see this option and see a green tick mark, it means your Vertex AI Workbench is up and running. So let me go ahead and click on this Open Jupyter Lab. It will open the Jupyter Lab in a new window. It's coming up. From here, all these options are already pre-installed. So all you need to do, you need to select the Python 3. This is the kernel that you need to select. So let me click on that. And my Jupyter Notebook is ready. So let's cancel all of this. So here I'm going to write some code which will connect my Vertex AI Workbench with the Kaggle, and so that I can download the Kaggle dataset right inside my Vertex AI Workbench. Okay, so let's go and do that. So the first command which I need to do, I need to install Kaggle here. So the command for this is pip install Kaggle, and let's execute that, and Kaggle is installed. So once Kaggle is installed, I need to execute this command to install the user Kaggle, and looks like it's being executed successfully. Once that is done, I am going to create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder with this name. So let's execute that. Looks like my folder is ready. Once the folder is ready, now to connect Kaggle with the Vertex AI Workbench, we need to download the Kaggle.json file and upload the JSON file to this folder. Now, if I go to Kaggle.com, this is the website where I've already logged in. If you go here and go to settings, under here, under API, you can create a new token, and you need to upload the token inside this particular folder so that the connectivity can be established. So I've already downloaded my token. I've stored that in my local drive. Now all I need to do, I need to upload that inside a Google storage, and then from the storage I'll copy that and store this inside this directory. So for that, let me go here and search for cloud storage. So that's a cloud storage. Under cloud storage, I'm going to create a bucket, give it the name as Kaggle connectivity, and let's give my name. I'm again going with the default. I'm not changing anything here. Continue and click on create. It will create the bucket for me. The bucket is created. I'm going to upload the JSON file, which the Kaggle settings token file, which I've already downloaded to my local directory. I'm going to upload the file inside this bucket. So I'll click on upload files, and this is the Kaggle.json which I've downloaded from the Kaggle website. I'm going to select that, click on open, and it's being uploaded here. So seems like upload is done. So everything looks good. Now all I need to do, I need to go back to my notebook, and I need to copy this from my cloud storage to this folder. So the command for that is gsutil cp, and I'm going to take this URL. This is a gsutil URL, this one, and I'm going to copy this inside this folder. So let's copy that. Let's execute this command. Looks like it's being executed executed. We can always verify that by ls minus lh, and then we can go inside this folder and see what is there. So if I execute, I can see my Kaggle.json is inside this folder. So that's all you need to do the connectivity. Now it's time to test the connectivity. So for testing the connectivity, I'll execute some Kaggle command which will list down the available datasets inside Kaggle. So this command is going to give me a list of competitions that are available inside Kaggle. And these are all the list of competitions that are available. So it means this command has executed successfully. So it means the connectivity between Kaggle and Vertex AI Workbench has been successfully established. I can also download a dataset from Kaggle and store it here. So here I'm trying to download this dataset from Kaggle and store it inside a folder called data student habit. So let's execute that, and looks like the download has been done. And yep, I see a folder called data. If I double click that, I see a folder called student habit. If I double click that, I can see this is the data that is being directly downloaded from the Kaggle inside my Vertex AI Workbench. Once the file is there, you have all the options in your hand. Now you can read the file, you can do all analytics to get information out of this data. That's for another video. This video is all about connectivity setup between Kaggle and Vertex AI Workbench, which we have done already. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and please share this video with your friends, with your colleagues. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Technical Potpourri, so that next time when I publish new videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.